Today, I am going to talk about a very interesting article published in Nature which says our ancestor Neanderthals gene might be responsible for severity of COVID-19. Sounds interesting, right? Ancestor gene responsible for severity of COVID-19, isn't it? So let's understand what the article is saying. Hello my dear friends, I am Poonam and you are watching Biology Explained. We have all witnessed that SARS-CoV-2 virus causing COVID-19 has wide range of severity. Some develop mild symptoms while others develop very severe symptoms. And we know comorbidities, sex, blood group play important role in severity of the disease. However, apart from this, the host genetic buildup can also play an important role in severity. That is, the genetic makeup of the human gene can impart different range of severity. We already know that certain region of chromosome 3 and one region in chromosome 9, which determines ABO blood group, contribute to the severity of the disease. In this journal, the authors found that a chunk of DNA that causes more severe COVID-19 comes from our ancestors Neanderthals. Let's talk about this in more details. The authors found a match in a region of DNA from severely ill COVID-19 patients and Neanderthals DNA sequence. There is a region of DNA on chromosome 3 spanning 333.8 kilobase pair, and it is found to be closely matched with the DNA collected from Neanderthals. Moreover, there is a core region in this 333.8 kilobase pair DNA piece which is 49.4 kilobase pair, which is almost a match with Neanderthals from Croatia. Thus, the authors concluded that severely ill patients' genetic makeup was similar to Neanderthals, which contributed to the severity of the disease. You might be wondering, who are Neanderthals? Basically, Neanderthals are very early human who lived in Europe and Western Asia from about 400,000 years ago until they became extinct in 40,000 years ago. So they are our ancestors. And it was found that they migrated from different parts of the world from Africa, and there was not much backflow. Thus, it is found that Neanderthal gene is found in Asia and Europe in much higher proportion than found in African population. Now the question is, how did Neanderthal gene flow into modern human? Research have found that modern human overlapped with Neanderthal population for a period of time and they had children together. Thus, many living today have small amount of genetic material from this distant ancestor. So, they basically found a match in between the DNA sequence of Neanderthals and the severe COVID-19 patients. Even though they have found a region of DNA which might be responsible for severity of the disease, it is not clear to them how the gene may worsen COVID-19. One of the gene plays important role in immune response and the other is linked to the mechanism of viral entry into human. But which one of them is the key player is still unknown. The DNA region which is responsible for the severity of the disease is almost absent in Africa. 30% of South Asian population have it, 8% of Europe and 4% of admixed America have this region of DNA in their chromosome. This chunk of DNA is found in highest frequency in the Bangladesh population. Thus, as per the paper, the people in the Bangladesh and adjoining areas have highest frequency of this chunk of DNA and might be at higher risk for severity of the disease. And it is found that it is almost absent in Africa That might be one of the reasons why we have not seen a big outbreak in Africa. But this might be one of the reasons. There are a lot of reasons for the severity and outbreak in different parts of the world. So to conclude, according to the authors, the Neanderthal haplotype may thus be a substantial contributor to COVID-19 risk in certain populations beside other factors, more notably advanced age. Thus, it seems that host genetic buildup can also contribute to the severity of the disease apart from the other factors which we already know. Hope you have found this video interesting. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.